Hello everyone, and welcome to Very Fast First Day in Operation. Today we are going to make smoothies. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make my smoothies. So first, I need a few supplies. So I'm going to show you a few of the things that I have ready.
Here's some of the ingredients for my smoothie. I'm going to put in an apple, some papaya, and then I've got some multi-fruit muesli, and then some cashew nuts, and then I have some guava here, and some frozen strawberries. I like to use frozen strawberries instead of ice. And then I have pineapple, and then I have some cranberries there, and I'll put some almonds in, as well as some almond milk, and then I'm going to put some pumpkin seeds in as well. And then in my freezer, I've got some frozen apples that I will put in at the end.
Some yogurt in. Alright.
I bought this blender for about 1,000 baht, maybe less, maybe like 600 baht. This Philips 600 watt blender, pretty basic, but it'll get the job done.
There is my smoothie ready to go. Alright, here we go. Put in the almond milk. This is the exciting part because we're almost finished. Okay.
Just need to plug it in and blend. And 5 speed.
Okay, I got my glass here. There we go. Alright, last thing is to enjoy. Let's see how this looks here. Alright, there we have it. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's it. Okay, let's try it. Alright, here we go. Alright, looks like pretty good consistency. I was worried I didn't have enough liquid, but it looks pretty good. Pretty good. I really like the cranberries. The cranberries didn't get chopped all the way up, but I like chewing on them. Pretty good, actually. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. I can taste the strawberries pretty strongly. You guys want to try some? We're running a one-time special today.
Normally I sell each of these for 100 baht. Today I'm offering a 10% discount. So does anyone know how much you will end up paying after applying the 10% discount?
So I normally sell this for 100 baht, and today I'm doing 10% discount. So can anyone tell me how much my very fast smoothie of the day is selling for the price that you'll end up paying for it after the discount, and it's a 10% discount. Alright, let me enjoy my smoothie while you guys think about that. 100 baht times 0.10, or you can think of it as times 1/10, however you want to do that. So you can take 100 times 0.1. Does anyone know what you get? 100 times 0.1. By the time you guys figure it out, I'll be finished with my smoothie. Alright, if you took 100 times 0.1, you should have gotten 10 baht. Okay? Is 10 baht the price that I'm going to end up selling this for to you? Or do I need to do something first with the 10 baht? So the 10 baht is actually what?
Discount.
Okay, so if I have a 10 baht discount and the original price was 100 baht, what do I need to do? I need to take 100 minus 10 equals
90 baht. Correct. Good job.
Alright, so if you want to buy one of these smoothies today with the 10% discount included, just send me a message online and I'll send these really quickly out the door to you. In fact, I'll send them very fast.
Alright, there's the finished product. I've finished my smoothie. I've had a few glasses already. It's delicious. I don't think I would change a thing. Yeah, I really like this one. I might put a little bit less almonds, but other than that, I loved it.